Hi. Pada naman tabi sa ano doon, doon. Sinsan mo. Kaya di ka. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning. Hi. Hello, sir. Stuck in Florida. Hello. Good morning. Tama na ang good morning. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much. Ang oras 7:05. Mana? Hello. Ang dami man yan. Ang pagdala ng tiro lahat. Yuri! May ba? Dira, magubatan yun. Kadaghanon. Hi, disgusting master lang. Thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. From Dinang UK. Hello, pusok po. Pang-apat. Salamat sa papusok. From Dinang UK. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Welcome po. Thank you from Dinang Yuki. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for 6 people in the house. Salamat. Kape. Nana. From Dinang, thank you. From Dinang Yuki. Salamat po. Kape na nga muna. Coffee po. Pananod na. Suklay. Pakape po. Tara kape. Kape po. Coffee time. Almusal. Kailan ba masarap ang kape? Always the coffee is yummy. English people. Banana sarap po niyan, yes. The banana is a yummy one. Always yummy the banana. Yummy. Okay, your boss is here. Yes. Yes, my boss is here. Kapag libre, masarap ang kape. Tama. Mas masarap ang kape. Sarap. Stuck in Florida. My boss is here now. So, let me go. From the English, from the Promos English, thank you. From the, not from, ano ang party ng manok na di
na didakan niya? Ano yun? Didakan niya? Anong parte ng manok ang didakan niya? Ano yun? Maybe type error. Type error. May nawawala ako. My goodness. Importante pa naman yun. Pag-iramagan mo ha. Alam ko, ako na ni Pro, kadali ako. Grade 7, sa kaya, may grade 7. Kumusta? Para pakaligay. Sinalulahan. Pero pag ano okay ka man? Mukha lang okay. Meron din talaga ako okay. Hala, bakit? Oh, what you deleted? What happened? Oh my God. I said English. Next time out for you. Huh? Who you delete? Message. Deleted by time. Huh? Oh my goodness. My boss! Don't worry. Done my break. Back to work na po. Okay, thank you from Dinang Yuki. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care po. GMM Vlog. Hi GMM Vlog. Thank you for the thumbs up. Dito lang po. Okay, salamat. Saan ka sa UK? Nasa UK ka ba? Ingat ka from Dinang Yuki. Salamat sa pagpunta. Wait, I buy fish. Have a fish outside. Wait a minute. Let me go.
Tutok! Ay, tutok! Kumain. Ay, nak! Ay, mo lang tinapay. Tutok mo. Mama ko kuni. Oo. Mama ko kuni. Dilot. Di ko yung dilot. Kaindaon mo yun. Kaunan yung ni Kuya. Ha? O, kain mo ini. Sa kanya mo na. Ako na.
Mahirap ito.
Wala na yan. Ano, bigay?
Bilis ikaw, ha?
Ano, bigay?
Ano naman ang prakalangay?
Hindi
makalula. Bili pa. Ano ba ang pisan mo? Ako man yung yan kita. Maulan kami ko. Awan, mabuyan sa baba.
Tumalon. Tumigay.
Nagising ka palang Brandam? Nasa kami. Umidahin kita, hala. Murahin kita. Oh. Ay, natin mo. Ay, natin. Ay, hirap ka. Hindi hirap ka. Hindi hirap ka. Ay, maulag ka mo. Yan na kami. Labo ko nisisan mga ginoo. Ang ginoo? Ano yung mga ginoo?
Si patay mo.
Oh my God, sit down. Sit down na. My coffee is getting cold. Coffee. Good morning, Flower Filipina, my coffee. Thank you. Banana. Sa banana. 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 Thank you, Rodrigo, for I'm here again. Hope you always come here. Wait. Eskwela na sila. Sana ka. How are you guys? Thank you for the thumbs up. Shut up and dance with me. I got your coffee without me. How are you there? I'm good. I'm fine. I'm always fine. You, how are you? Ano? A night there. Are you eat your lunch? Are you dinner? Thanks, human delicious. Human delicious. Keep like, okay, easy. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Did you sleep well? Yeah, I slept well. Thank you. Hot weather now here. Later, skin perfect, sleep well. Yes. Sleep well is good for the skin. Wow, look sure. It's back. Bye, beautiful. Bye, bye, Rodrigo. Teacher, have a good night. Sleep well. God bless. Sleep well. Sit up and dance a day. Oh. Oh, that's okay. Be beautiful. Thank you, Rodrigo. I'm always feel beautiful. One day I will go there, drink coffee in your house. Okay. Okay. Welcome home, friend. Shut up and dance. Rodriguez, stay beautiful. From Tim. Stay beautiful. Still young and beautiful. Thank you, my friend. God, thank you, my friend. You're always welcome. You're always welcome. Always welcome. Always. Rodrigo, hello, my friend from Spokane, Florida. Bye-bye! Wow, magwapuhuno. Nanang balo niyo. Si Lapong. Ma-school ba ikaw, Lapong? Sinaan mo, Lapong? Sinaan mo? Sinaan, ma'am? Ma'am Jane? Ma'am Jane? Oh, parungan nangon parungan kay gone again, no. Stop brother, hello from Vigo. I'm not gone, I'm just Tim, hello my friend from Rodrigo. Hello Tim, my friend from Rodrigo. Hi. Hi. Just try. My almusal is a banana. A banana. Who wants banana? Banana. Cheryl, give Rodrigo a jacket. Okay. Let's go eat chicken. Singer. Jacket. Cheryl and Kuya Mike, I need pandesal with that. Yes. Need pandesal with that. No pandesal. Hi, Cheryl and Kuya Mike. Hello, Tita. My mom. Tita Marie, hello from stock. Because he is always here. They're always here. Tita Marie, hello. Stock always here too. Maybe he need a jacket. Hello to Sir Tito also. Yes, Tito and Tita, hello. The next game night is July 19. Ah, July 19. Oh, I want to join. No. I want to join Tita. That's okay, but thanks. Thank you so much. Stag. Where's, who's she will forget. Tita, hello, my friend from Rodrigo. Oh my god. Tita, who, what channel? What channel? And I hope play the games. I want to join. Maybe you need to share with me. What time, Tita? I will put it on my calendar. Me too. July 19. Thank you for the thumbs up. Can you drop the link? It's free to play. Yes. Yes, Tita. Can you drop the link? It's free. Have to go by, my friend. It cost. Bye-bye, Rodrigo. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, you can drop the link, Tita. Hello, Rodrigo from Tita. My mom. Bye-bye, Cheryl Flower Filipina. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, Rodrigo. Oh, oh, shut up and dance with me. My mother. My mom. Wow, I give him a jacket and he leaves. Because he going to, going to sleep na. Monthly Games Night LS sa Basic English Channel, July 19, Sabado, 8 p.m. Philippine Time. Wala in Gcash 50 to 1,000 pesos. Okay. The link is not blue. Yeah, Tita, the link is blue. I see it's blue. Flower for mother. Thank you, Rodrigo. Yes, try again. Yes, it's blue. I see. It's blue. Okay. No, it's not blue. I don't see the blue. I see blue. When I click the link, I click the link. Scotty B97. Hi, Scotty. Hello. Hi. Okay. 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 Bye-bye. I need to end the live now because I'm preparing going to work. How have you been? No, not that okay. No, no, not that okay. Ah, how have you been? Just check out the channel, A Basic Channel English. We sponsored him. He is a Filipino singer. Yeah. I subscribe him, tita. A Basic Channel. A Basic English Channel. Well, how have you been? How have you been? I don't know. My sister, my mother. Thank you for the 8 people in the house and the thumbs up. Sige, bye-bye. Not yet, bye. Thank you, tita. Thank you, tita, for joining here. Say hi to Tito Stefan. Sorry, I see okay for Links Blue channel. Okay. Links Blue channel. It's okay. It's fine. Oh, shut up and dance with me. Mini Filipino. It's okay. Papa Pandesal.
Papapandisay.
Papa Pandesal. Tagon ako nagpasok ka na.
Para pasunod niya ako ni Sandal. Well, sabi ni Mio, di magsulod.
Na naman. Pero sira ano, ma'am. Ito na.
Malunis kayo magpuan.
Oo.
Ayun pa kami niyan, may bibili kami sa Kaliente, sa Kabisan Junction.
Oo. Ngayon maganito ko
May overnight kami niyan na kasama. Kaya sabi ko, hindi mo na ako sa matlo.
Maka-relax ko muna ka.
Sa totoo naman.
Kahugat na. Pag nabatugan na.
Pag napatugan naman gusto ko yun sabi. Pag gusto magdayas, malayas pa Manila.
Oo. Mahuga. Wala masyado yung
Pag
hindi.
lugar na, pag nahawag ko ng magsulod. Sabi niya, pag naman, hindi ko, ako pa dapat pero hindi ako dito Nining pa Manila na si Johnny Boy. Pamandit ka. Sabi niya si Mami, maano ka ba dito? Bayaran ba na no?
Mamanda.
Hindi ako maawat dito. Ano lang. May email pa sa tumami na linaga na, ginot.
Sabi ni Papa, gingot. Ang gingot nga ni ko na ano.
Hindi sila baga pa nasabi sa ginot.
Hindi sila pipipulog.
Sabi,
Ang udon daw yung nakaabay mo. Ang udon daw yung naimod. Nakaintindi ka saan? How are you, Cheryl? I'm fine, Scotty. The breadman. Yes, the breadman. Papa Pandesal. How about you, Scotty? How are you? Thank you for the thumbs up. Aray ko. Shut up and dance with me. Ooh, aray. Should have been dance with me. Kana? Kana kay... Di ka mahali. Nagpapil ka na, mama? Nag-ano ka mo dito? Ay, napabili ng sinilas. High school. Ma'am. Okay, nag-iribik ka na doon. Ha? Ma'am, nag-school si ma'am? Ano sabi ni ma'am? Oo. Gusto mo sabi? Gusto mo? I'm doing good, thank you. Good to see you again. It has been a while. Love the singing. Love the singing. Love the singing. What kind of the song? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Abo? Abo mo? Gusto mo? Abo mo? Nag-igit ka san? Gusto mo? Saging? Gusto mo? Panitan ko ikaw? Gusto mo? Abo mo? Girl, don't kiss the baby. Okay. Opo, he will get sick. Okay. Nakalaan ka. I want to kill the baby. Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Sige na. Ay, gusto mo sa de, ha? Gusto mo sa de? Oo, anak, tayo. Gusto mo sa de? Gusto mo? Where's Gab? Gab is going to school. Oh, well, thank you for the thumbs up. Hello, Smiler. Opo. Edi na. Hi, Scotty.
Andal ka?
Opo, andar mo.
Oh.
Oh. Ano? Nanggigigil ako. Nanggigigil. Na-school ikaw sa sunod na taon?
Oh.
Gusto mo na mag-school?
Ha?
Gusto mo na mag-school?
Oh.
Ha?
Oh.
Oh. The Smiler. I'm a Smiler. Oh, how should have been dance? Saan? Sabon?
Samhot.
Samhod.
Sabi na lang ako siya.
Oh, sa akin?
Manay sika. Sige pa magpanay.
Hello. Ay, Mami, ano niyan sa kalintura?
Tapos kahapon malabang ang tako. Ano ba
Ano pan, sarunod din ang mga kalintura sa bata.
sa akin na lang ay para sa loob na lang. Ay baga.
Iba pa rin yan, ako baga sa ito, nagsusulit ako sa makulog na mga dito. Walang katrang kaso, makulog sa.
Pati yung iba yung na nagbibidyo ka.
Di man? She was smiling at the camera when you were not looking. Thank you. And dance with me. Ooh, Get up and dance with me. Shut up. Oh, my love. My darling.
Pwede ba kayo? Mga labanin na bata magkita.
Should have. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later. See you later. Ha? Upo si Kuya Gab. Gusto mo? Magamit? Oh, ako na. Wait lang. Bye, Cheryl. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.